Does XRP have the potential to do 100x this bull run? We're going to talk about that in this video. Also, tons of people have asked me saying, I only have 100 XRP. What will that be worth by 2025? Could it be worth $1 million? Is that even possible? Well, over the next few short minutes, what I'm going to be doing in this video is breaking down exactly what happened for XRP the last few bull runs compared to Bitcoin. What was XRP's market cap dominance of Bitcoin and the whole industry at the top of the last bull run? Where Bitcoin's dominance was for the whole industry at the exact same time that XRP was reaching its all-time high for the 2021 bull run, the 2018 top, how correlated XRP was to Bitcoin during the last bull run. And then we're comparing to the bull run before then to get an average basis of what's possible so we can get an idea of some accurate price predictions for XRP for 2025 based on where Bitcoin could go to, the entire crypto market cap could go to, and some price predictions for what XRP could go to based on its market cap dominance of the whole industry and of Bitcoin. So I spent a lot of time putting this video together for you guys. I know you're going to absolutely love it because if you're holding XRP right now, sitting at 56 cents at the time of making this video, this is the type of information that you need to know because I'm just going to be talking about math. I'm going to be talking about facts. And also I want to share a model with you that is virtually like a cheat code to predict the price of Bitcoin at the peak using a concept in technical analysis called decaying peaks, referring to the progressively lower returns seen in successive Bitcoin bull runs as the market matures and gains wider adoption. So I'm going to give you guys some price models to show what that looks like for Bitcoin and then accurate price predictions for XRP moving forward. On top of that, what some analysts are predicting for the market cap of the whole entire industry to be by the end of 2025, what that means for some of the top large cap, mid cap, and micro cap altcoins. And by the end of this video, you're going to discover what I'm doing to earn an extra 1,000 to 2,000 XRP per day through the #1 liquidity pool in the world on the XRP ledger and the #1 play to earn XRP game. So if you guys are feeling bullish, comment 777. If you're feeling blessed, comment 777. And if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree, confirm it by tapping the subscribe button. Let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So let's dive right in and let's discuss the model for Bitcoin in decoding its all-time high, because the concept in this analysis for decaying peaks is captured through what's called exponential decay fit, which is employed to evaluate the peaks of Bitcoin's past bull cycles by aligning the historical data points of 2011, 2013, 2017 with aim to delineate a pattern that could suggest future price movements. So if we look at this right here, in terms of this model, in this study, this analyst applied this model to the 2021 cycle peak. So shout out to Benjamin Cowan for this. Yielding a forecast close to market behavior, the model predicted a peak of $65,732.72, which closely shadowed the actual peak of $64,682. So it was off by about $1,000. Now, extending the analytical framework to the upcoming cycle that we're in right now, the estimation of the decaying peak model sketches a trajectory that could see Bitcoin reaching about $164,000. So if Bitcoin were to do that this bull run, that's only a 2 to 3x from where we are right now at like $59,000. So what could that put XRP at? Is it even worth to be investing in crypto right now if that's the case? And what's a bullish case scenario, bearish case scenario, most likely case scenario for XRP? So if we look at the Bitcoin to the US dollar price chart, the peak of the market came in on the 14th of April. Even though the all-time high for that bull run was in November, the true top for that bull run was the 14th of April of 2021. Now, if you look on the bottom of the screen, you can see on the 14th of April of 2021, XRP topped out at nearly the exact same time that Bitcoin did at about $1 and roughly 96 cents. Now, when Bitcoin was making the all-time high for that bull run in November, XRP was in a downtrend at about $1.30 from there. And if we look at Bitcoin's market cap compared to XRP's market cap at that time, Bitcoin's market cap was roughly $1.2 trillion on the 14th of April. XRP's market cap reached roughly $90 billion, which was about 7.5% of Bitcoin's total market cap at the peak and about 4% of the total industry at the exact same time. And if we look at the crypto total market cap of the entire industry, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, every single altcoin in the world, essentially, well, at that time, it was around $2.25 trillion, give or take, a few billion here and there. But for example purposes only, if we look at November of 2021, it reached $3 trillion, but XRP topped out on the 14th of April of 2021. And so after XRP topped out, the altcoin market saw a pullback with XRP. The altcoin market rallied back up by May of 2021 to 2.5 trillion, but XRP was already in a downtrend. As you can see on the bottom of this screen, we were forming a series of lower highs. And so money was rotating out of XRP and going into a lot of micro cap projects, a lot of meme coins by November of 2021, because the bull run was basically over and people were looking for those dirty degen 10x, 50x, 100x gains of these microcap projects that were like $1 million, $10 million market caps. Because around the 14th of April of 2021, XRP had a market cap of already $90 billion. And so if we just take 90 billion, we divide that by 2.25 trillion, that's roughly 4% of the entire industry. Now, the reason why this is important to know is because this gives us a basis of the possibilities of what could happen this bull run cycle based on XRP's current market cap, its projected market cap, its market cap dominance, and also looking at Bitcoin's market cap dominance, because everybody in the crypto space knows that alt season happens after Bitcoin's dominance comes down and tops out. And Bitcoin's dominance is currently at about 57% still. So it's still very high right now, which tells us there's still gas left in the tank for an altcoin bull run that is coming soon. But if we look at the crypto total market cap at the top of the screen compared to Bitcoin's dominance, the percentage that Bitcoin holds of the total, well, we can see on the 4th of January of 2018, when XRP was topping out for that bull run, the crypto total market cap was around $750 billion, and Bitcoin's dominance plummeted down from 70%, and it was all the way down here, roughly around 37%, because money was flowing out of Bitcoin and into altcoins. So that's why we saw XRP have that parabolic blow off top, where XRP rallied over $3 in 2018. Now, if we look at 2021, it was a little bit different. However, we saw the same trend play out where Bitcoin's dominance peaked out all the way above 70 and started dropping. And by the time the XRP peaked out and the altcoin market rallied up to $2.25 trillion, well, Bitcoin's dominance was roughly around 53%. Now, as you can see, the dominance continued to drop as more money flowed out of Bitcoin, and money was flowing out of XRP as well too, and flowing into other altcoins down the list. So Bitcoin and XRP were very correlated together during that 2021 bull run when they peaked out. And then when the price for Bitcoin started going down, the price for XRP started going down, and then every other altcoin started to run. Now, as you can see on this chart right here, by the 4th of January 2018, when XRP was topping out, at let's say $3, it went a little bit above $3, but for example purposes only, Bitcoin was around $15,000. So Bitcoin peaked out in the middle of December, saw a sell-off, and then saw a bounce back up to a complacency stage bounce to like 17K. But around that time frame, it was around $15,000. So money was coming out of Bitcoin, and people were throwing that into XRP, and institutions were buying XRP up all the way to $3. And then once Bitcoin peaked out, essentially XRP peaked out on the complacency stage bounce for Bitcoin, and then we saw money come out of the market. So the 2021 bull run, XRP was more correlated and connected to Bitcoin at the top, where they topped out at the same time. Whereas in 2017, Bitcoin topped out the middle of December, and XRP topped out about 18 days after that. So a little over 2 weeks. Now, if we look at what XRP's market cap was at compared to Bitcoin's market cap on the 4th of January of 2018, XRP held roughly $128 billion. Bitcoin was roughly at $250 billion on the way down. Even though Bitcoin had like 300 billion at that current time, XRP held 51% of Bitcoin's market cap and 17% of the industry. So a lot of people forget that during that bull run, XRP was actually the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap above Ethereum. And as you can see, around that same time, Ethereum had roughly an $80 billion market cap, whereas XRP had 128 billion. Now, Ethereum topped out after that as money was flowing out of Bitcoin and XRP, going down the list as it did in the 2021 bull run. So Ethereum went upwards of like $140 billion market cap. So it did pass XRP's market cap. But if you're trying to play the game on the way down rather than on the way up. It's like trying to catch falling knives to try and make money in the markets during a bear market when money is rotating from one project to another. It just turns into a game of musical chairs, and retail that's new to the market ends up holding the bags while the institutions are exiting on the way out. So I'm going to be discussing a lot in this video that's going to help you guys this entire bull run. But the key thing that we're looking at right here is the middle of the screen where it says XRP held 51% of Bitcoin's market cap and 17% of the entire industry at the peak of that 2018 top. Because that was the bull run that virtually everybody remembers. You know, that was my first crypto bull run, and that was a retail driven bull run. Everyone was crazy about it. People were talking about Bitcoin going to $100,000. We were seeing these crazy price predictions of $250,000 Bitcoin, $500,000 Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin topped out just shy of $20,000, everyone was shocked. So this bull run, it's going to be no different. There's going to be these outlandish price predictions. So on this channel, we like to dispel delusional price predictions. And I'm going to give you guys some accurate price predictions so that way you can make a lot of money this entire bull run. And also you can prevent yourself from getting wrecked. And as always, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are purely for education, informational purposes only. Crypto's risky. You could lose money in these markets. So don't buy, don't sell anything we talk about. Always consult your financial advisor, because these videos are just designed to help you do your own research and provide you with the facts so you could form your own educated opinion. Because when we look right here, the crypto total market cap at that time was $750 billion. And so XRP holding 17% of the entire industry is absolutely massive. Now we have a lot more institutional money coming into the market this cycle, but we also have more altcoins, because when we go to coinmarketcap.com, you can see in the upper left-hand side of the screen, there's about 2.4 million cryptocurrencies. Plus, I don't know if that number is actually accurate, but if that is, that's insane, because during 2017's bull run, if we go the way back machine and we look on January 4th of 2018, when XRP topped out, you can see that there was only roughly 1,500 cryptocurrencies at the time. Bitcoin's market cap said 258 billion XRPs. Was it like 134 actually? So my number's a little undershooting here, but there you can see Ripple. This is when they had it listed as the company Ripple, but then there was Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, NEM, Stellar, Litecoin, IOTA, Dash, Tron, and then some other projects that aren't even on this list anymore that everyone remembers. You know, BitConnect, you got like Lisk, Status, BitShares, Steam, there's Dogecoin, then we had Siacoin, VeChain. So really, when you guys think about it, XRP is one of the most OG cryptocurrencies that is not going anywhere, but due to more cryptocurrencies in the market, that is diluting the market cap of a lot of these projects. However, with regulation coming to the industry, a lot of these projects that will be wiped out, similar to how we've seen a lot of regional banks shut down over the past 100 years, and the larger banks, the institutional banks, the commercial banks, they gobble them up like JP Morgan Chase. That's what's going to happen to the market cap of a lot of the larger cap projects. They're just going to eat up the market cap of the projects that aren't compliant with the new regulation and these laws that are going to be passed towards the end of this year going into 2025. But there are progressively lower returns seen in each bull run as the market matures, gains wider acceptance. And it just takes more money to move a project that has, you know, $100 billion market cap versus a project that has a $10 million market cap. So I do think XRP still has room to run and there's a lot of money to be made with it. So I want to give you guys an accurate XRP price prediction. But before I do, I want to show you what I'm doing to earn an extra 1,000 to 2,000 XRP per day. And it literally takes less than 10 minutes per day. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description of this video, or you can just go to bullrunners.com and you'll discover how to earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes with the #1 play to earn XRP game. You just click the button on the page, you put in your best email address. It'll take you to this page right here, and in 8 minutes, you'll be able to watch the video. You'll also see how to get your XRP wallet, and you'll learn about the #1 liquidity pool in the world on the XRP ledger that has about 4.3 million XRP in it and about 25,000 crypto. Now, crypto is an altcoin on xrpl.to that's sitting at about $99 right now. I did mention this, the middle of July is around $50, so it's up at 2x, outperforming the rest of the market. Whereas if we look at the entire crypto market over the past month, virtually everything is down like 20, 30, 40%. Whereas this project is up nearly 100%. And the reason why is because it's the first and it's the #1 play to earn game on the XRP ledger. And the game is really, really simple to play. I simply got a bunch of digital game pieces through the link in the description below. And I started playing this game each and every single day to earn crypto rewards. So as you can see over the past few days, I've earned about 23 crypto right here. And the price of crypto is about $99. That's about $2,277 worth of crypto rewards. And right here, I have a little over 200 crypto. So if I multiply that by 99, that's over $20,000 worth of crypto rewards in the past month. Now, obviously that's not a guarantee that you're going to earn the same amount because results do vary, but I simply take about 8 crypto per day, I add it to the liquidity pool. It gives me roughly 55,000 liquidity pool tokens. This takes me less than 10 minutes per day. I just click add liquidity. It loads up on my XRP wallet right here. So you can see about 8.58 crypto. I simply slide to accept, and then it says transaction signed and dispatched, and then success, the transaction was successful. Now the coolest part about this is if I want to remove liquidity, I can do that at any point. I can remove it in either crypto or XRP, or if I want to remove both in an equal amount, I can do that too. So let's say I want to remove 1,500 XRP. Well, that's about 56,000 LP tokens. So by simply just playing this game for 5 to 10 minutes per day, earning crypto rewards, adding that to the liquidity pool to get LP tokens that I can remove at any point for XRP or for crypto. This is by far the coolest and the best way that I've seen to earn more crypto this entire bull run on the XRP ledger. So again, you simply just go to the link in the description below, put in your best email address. You'll be instantly subscribed to our daily video newsletter. Also, you'll just watch the videos on the other side. We'll show you how to get your XRP wallet, how to get your game pieces, how to get crypto and play the game, how to withdraw crypto, then add it to the liquidity pool to compound your rewards. So you can either do that right now or by the end of this video, because this project, guys, has a market cap of still less than $3 million. So it's a micro cap gem. And it's also paired to XRP in the liquidity pool. And if you know anything about crypto, if XRP explodes, then this project will see a direct impact from that. Now, realistically, what could XRP explode to this bull run? If you just hold 100 XRP, what could that be worth? Could it be worth $1 million, or is that shooting way too high? I want to give you guys realistic expectations here rather than these hyped up price predictions, because if we look at Bitcoin's price right now sitting at, let's just say $60,000. Well, based on that model that I shared with you at the beginning of this video, if Bitcoin were to hit $160,000, I put these price predictions right here for Bitcoin at 100,000, 150,000, and 200,000 for example purposes only. So these numbers come out pretty even for you guys, but it'll be a rough estimate. So at $100,000, Bitcoin's market cap would be roughly $2 trillion. At $150,000, Bitcoin's market cap would be roughly $3 trillion. $200,000, Bitcoin's market cap would be at roughly $4 trillion. Now remember, right here on the 4th of January of 2018, XRP held roughly 51% of Bitcoin's market cap and about 17% of the whole industry. Whereas in the 2021 bull run, XRP only held 7.5% of Bitcoin's market cap and about 4% of the industry. So if we're lowballing here and we say at the top of XRP's bull run, it holds just 3% of Bitcoin's market cap, well then if Bitcoin were to go to $100,000 with a $2 trillion market cap and XRP were to hold just 3% of that, that would give XRP a market cap of around $60 billion. Now, currently at the time of shooting this video, obviously the numbers are going to be different when you're watching this. XRP's market cap is around 31. The circulating supply is 56 billion XRP in circulation. So to get these price predictions, what we do is we take Bitcoin's potential market cap based on Bitcoin's price. So let's say at $100,000 right here, Bitcoin had roughly a $2 trillion market cap. We take $2 trillion and we times that by 0.03% to see what XRP's market cap would be if it held just 3% of Bitcoins. So that'd be about $60 billion market cap, as you can see right here in this column. Then what we do is we take that market cap for XRP and we divide that by the circulating supply. So let's just say, for example purposes only, there's an extra 4 billion XRP in circulation, giving XRP a circulating supply of about 60 billion XRP. Now, obviously that number is going to be different by the top of the market, but if we take 60 billion, we divide that by 60 billion, that's of course 1. So that would give XRP a price of $1 if Bitcoin was at $100,000 with a $2 trillion market cap and XRP held 3% of Bitcoin's market cap for its dominance. That's simply what that means. Now, if you need to rewatch that little section again, you can double tap on your phone or you can rewind 10 seconds and listen to that over and over again so you understand how I got these numbers in every single one of these columns. Because at the top of the screen, you could see XRP's market cap dominance for Bitcoin. This one would be 3%, this one's 5%. This one is if XRP held 10% of Bitcoin's market cap dominance, 15%, and then up to 20%. If XRP goes beyond 20%, then that's awesome, but we're putting it anywhere between 3 to 20% because if we look at the last bull run right here, XRP held 4% of the entire industry. The bull run before then, it held 17%, and it held 51% of Bitcoin's market cap during that 2018 top. So we're actually undershooting based on that 2018 peak. And during the 2021 peak, XRP held about 7.5% of Bitcoin's market cap. So for XRP to hold just 3% of Bitcoin's market cap, I think it's very, very realistic. Considering we surpassed that during the last few bull runs, there's way more partnerships from Ripple as a company that I'm going to share with you in a little bit. And currently, XRP's market cap dominance is sitting at only 1.56%. We bounced off of this support zone, this red box that you can see right here, that XRP has gone within every single bull run prior to this. When it dipped within this box and it bounced out of here, XRP compared to Bitcoin went absolutely parabolic, and XRP absorbed a large chunk of the market cap. Now, it's no coincidence, guys, that Ripple is coming out with their stablecoin towards the end of this year. Stablecoin regulation is coming, crypto regulation is coming. The Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is over. There's just a 60-day window for the SEC to appeal. But that still doesn't change the fact that XRP is not a security on the secondary market. So the bullish sentiment is absolutely insane. I think XRP, in my opinion, which I could be wrong here, but is one of the best trades in crypto right now. And I talked about this in a previous video. When XRP gets around 1% in terms of market cap dominance and it bounces, we see XRP start to outperform the rest of the market the following 12 to 24 months. So at 1.56%, if XRP held just 3%, it would have a $90 billion market cap. We take 90 billion, divide that by 60 billion, XRP's price would be $1.5. If Bitcoin were to hit $200,000, that would put XRP at about $2. And so while this is a conservative case scenario, I don't have this highlighted. I have the numbers highlighted that I think will most likely happen this bull run. So for example, if we look at the bottom of the screen, you can see Bitcoin's dominance. On the left-hand side right here, you see the market cap and then the percentage dominance. If Bitcoin's dominance was around 40% at the peak of the market, which is pretty realistic considering at the peak of the market for the 4th of January 2018 for XRP, Bitcoin's dominance was all the way down here at about 37%. And right here, it was at about 53% on the way down, and it did reach 40%. So I think for this bull run cycle, Bitcoin's dominance to come within this range of anywhere between 30 and 40% is when we will see the top for XRP. But I do think Bitcoin's dominance will rise higher in the short term and peak out. Once it peaks out and it starts to roll over, we will see the biggest alt season of our lives. So whether XRP peaks out like it did in 2021 while Bitcoin's dominance was dropping at about 50 something percent, 53%, or it peaks out like it did in 2018 after Bitcoin's dominance has dropped all the way down here to lows of 37%. Let's just say Bitcoin's dominance is at 40% when that happens. Well, the next question we need to ask ourselves is, what could the total crypto market cap be by the end of this bull run? Because Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, projected $5 trillion for this industry by the end of this year, not the end of this bull run, the end of this year. And so according to Bernstein analysts, they're expecting the total crypto market cap to reach $7.5 trillion by 2025 versus roughly $2 trillion where it is today, led by Bitcoin. They're projecting $3 trillion by 2025. And then the Ethereum ecosystem about 1.8 trillion, and then other leading blockchains like Solana, Avalanche, etc. at 1.4 trillion. So if they're saying 7.5 trillion, and we just put these three numbers right here, 5 trillion, lowballing, 10 trillion, or 15 trillion. Keep in mind at the peak in 2018, XRP held 17% of the industry. And at the peak in 2021, XRP held 4% of the industry. So if XRP were to hold, let's say 3% of the industry for this bull run, which is less than previous bull runs, well then if the industry just reaches $5 trillion, this whole bull run, which is Brad Garlinghouse's prediction for just this year alone, well then that would give XRP a market cap of around $150 billion and a price of roughly $2.50. Now, if the industry were to reach $10 trillion and XRP held 3%, that would give it about a $300 billion market cap with a price of around $5 with a circulating supply of 60 billion. Now the circulating supply may be different, so these numbers will fluctuate, but all you guys do is take the market cap, divide that by the circulating supply, and that gives you the price. So if XRP were to have a $450 billion market cap at a $15 trillion crypto industry, that'd be a price of $7.50. Now, I don't know. I don't think we're going to get up to $15 trillion, although anything's possible. I think the industry will do anywhere between $5 and $10 trillion. In my opinion, that's pretty realistic of what's possible for this industry. And if that doesn't happen, then I would honestly be very, very shocked because of what's happening right now with institutional money coming in, BlackRock buying more Bitcoin than ever before, stablecoin bills coming, Ripple stablecoin coming out, among other bullish news. I think this bull run will do very, very well. Now, if we look at 5% XRP market cap dominance of the whole industry, well, at $5 trillion, XRP would hold $250 billion, and that would give XRP a price of $4.17. At $10 trillion, at 5% dominance, that's $8.33. So a lot of people are thinking now, as you can start to see the bigger picture here, it's not about how big the industry gets, It's about how much of the market cap dominance XRP can absorb. Because as you can see right here, if XRP were to have 20% dominance of the whole industry and the industry just gets to $5 trillion, well, that would give XRP a market cap of $1 trillion and a price at around $16.67. So it's virtually impossible to know exactly where XRP will go because number one, nobody knows where the whole crypto market cap will go. And number two, nobody knows where XRP's market cap dominance will be of the industry because right now it's at only 1.56%. And so I think there are going to be a few catalysts that are going to drastically change that over the next 12 months. Number one is going to be regulation coming to the industry, which is going to create a great shakening within altcoins, as the only altcoin right now that has the regulatory clarity is XRP. So it's going to gobble up a large chunk of that market cap, in my opinion. Number two is the fundamental analysis, like countries like India, United Arab Emirates, you got Russia, Brazil, you got Africa. They're in talks about using XRP in trade to ditch the US dollar. And so if that happens and XRP starts to bridge over the next 12 months, trillions of dollars, well, then anything's possible for XRP's market cap dominance. Also, Joel Katz posted this on Twitter saying XRP can't be pegged to gold, silver, or anything else. In theory, nothing prevents someone from trying to peg the price, but it's absurd to expect someone to do this when it's virtually impossible to imagine why anyone would want to do that. He also went on to say XRP has nothing to do with ISO 222. ISO 222 is a messaging standard for payments. XRP is a cryptocurrency. While there could certainly be projects using both of these things, there's no real inherent overlap between them. So there's a ton of comments on that post. One of them is from XRP Wiseowl saying you can't peg gold to XRP because gold is a hard asset, but if you tokenize gold on the XRP ledger, that's a different thing. And that's what institutions like BlackRock are planning on doing when you listen to what Larry Fink has to say.
I actually believe this technology is going to be very important. We have been part of the huge revolution in investing through ETFs. We believe that ETFs will be changing the whole way we invest. Many people still use it as a means, well, people are investing it for indexing. No, the majority of people who are putting money in an ETFs are active investors that are buying exposure. The entire bond market is being transformed as we talk right now. I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. We will, and if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. And think about it, it changes the whole ecosystem.
Also, with Ripple recently allocating $10 million to tokenize US Treasury bills on the XRP ledger, although that's not billions of dollars yet, that's the first domino into billions of dollars for the Treasury market. So the US Treasury market is the bedrock of the global financial system. Today, there are about $27 trillion worth of Treasury securities outstanding. An average of over 879 billion are traded every single day. So if we just take 27 trillion and multiply that by, let's say, 1%, and if that were to go into XRP, that's an extra $270 billion. We're not including the derivatives market and other massive markets like the foreign exchange market. If you guys watched my video yesterday on the trillions of dollars that flow through daily, there's so many other markets and sectors and areas that Ripple is going into as a company to be able to add liquidity to XRP, and through their stablecoin alone, that's going to do that too. So when we look at the other numbers on this chart in terms of XRP's market cap dominance of the entire industry, I think realistically what's possible by the end of this bull run is anywhere between $4 to roughly $25 and ultimately $30 at the peak. That would be if the crypto total market cap could get to $10 trillion and XRP held 20% of the market cap dominance. That would mean XRP's market cap would be put at about $2 trillion, which is about the size of Alphabet, which is Google, or even Amazon is at about $1.8 trillion. And then you can see other companies like Nvidia, which recently skyrocketed because the AI movement that's taking place right now is at $3 trillion. And then Apple is at like 3.4 trillion. So I know a lot of people out there are going to watch this video and say, what do you mean only $33? XRP is destined for $1,000 or $10,000 or even $100,000. And I'm not going to deny and say that that's not going to happen because anything's possible, guys. We're going through the greatest financial transformation of all time, and XRP has been at the center of conversation within the banking space and just the overall financial sector space for the past few years. But my goal here is to create a strategy that will grow wealth and also preserve wealth so you don't get wrecked. If you go too far down the rabbit trail of listening to the people that tell you, like Bitcoin, it's the same people that would say Bitcoin was going to $100,000 back in 2017. And sure, that will probably happen this bull run cycle, as you saw at the beginning of this video. And Bitcoin will probably even hit $1 million, but it's going to take some time for that to take place. So for XRP to hit $50 or $100 or anything beyond that, we first need to see it get to $1, then $5, then $10, one step at a time. And so depending on where we are in the macro market cycle towards the end of this bull run, based on key indicators like the Bitcoin stock to flow rainbow indicator that shows us the days until the next halving, where we are in the market cycle, once we're going from yellow to green and people are screaming at the top of their lungs that Bitcoin's going to $1 million and XRP, Ethereum, every other altcoin's go into the moon, I'm going to be making videos for you guys and showing you some confluence on the chart for what to look for. We're also going to be bringing up Bitcoin's pi cycle top indicator, which accurately predicted Bitcoin's top the past few bull runs. So if that indicator flashes in, I'm personally going to be hedging the majority of my positions out of the market, as dumb money, new retail is just diving in, buying the top, because investing is very, very simple. You buy low, you sell high. The most difficult thing is to have patience on the way up and also on the way down to buy back in again. Because as you can see from the high to the low, if you were to sell the exact top for Bitcoin and you were to wait for the exact bottom, it took over 380 days. So you literally could have gotten in a sailboat, sailed around the earth for about a year, done nothing, and then just come back and bought back in at a low. The problem is a lot of people get impatient and they start buying on the way down, and then they get wrecked even more and they don't time these cycles correctly. Or they hold too long because they fall prey to these content creators that give you unrealistic expectations and they don't give you math and numbers like this. So they round trip their bags to the bottom, then they end up selling the bottom when they could have taken profit close to or near the top. You're not going to sell the exact top. You don't need to make money. All the smartest investors don't focus on doing that. They set realistic goals for themselves, and then when they hit their goals, they get out of the markets with those goals. They don't get too greedy. See, greed is the destruction of long-term wealth. When we get closer to the top of the market, it's going to be more difficult to sell than ever before because your emotions are going to be euphoric. Everyone's going to be making money. You're not going to be missing because everything's going up. So you could literally blindfold yourself and go click buy on any project in the top 100. And it most likely will go up because there's billions of dollars being injected into the market during the euphoria phase. But if you're waiting for that moment to happen to even allocate anything to the crypto market, then I don't know what to tell you, because the best time to buy is when everyone's in fear. So if we look at the Bitcoin price chart right now for where we are, 20, it's very similar to what we went through from 2019 to the COVID capitulation down here and then started working our way on out of here. So we've either seen the bottom for Bitcoin and we're just starting to work our way on out of here, then leading into election, then 2025, we see the market appreciate, or we have a little bit further to go in this consolidation phase. And we're seeing something like this take place where it's a much longer consolidation period for Bitcoin. And then as you guys know, when the market started to recover back in February 2020, well, then that's when the Fed drastically started cutting rates, and then they had to slash rates rapidly in response to COVID. And then we started working our way on out of here. So if it takes that long for Bitcoin to break out and we see something like this happen over the next few months before we even get to the final stage of this bull run in Q4 of 2025, then I'm just going to be stacking as much XRP as humanly possible. So a lot of people have asked me, what is my #1 way to earn massive crypto rewards this entire bull run before we get into the euphoria stage of the market cycle? Well, if you go to xrpl.to, you guys will see a lot of different altcoin projects listed on the XRP ledger, and virtually nobody knows about this, nor is anyone really paying attention to it right now because the price of XRP has been suppressed during the entire Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. But over the next few years, as Ripple and XRP gets more traction, a lot of the projects on the XRP ledger are going to gain a lot of attention. And one of my buddies showed me a project on the XRP ledger that is the first play to earn game on XRP where you're able to earn crypto rewards simply for playing the game. Now, if you guys want to see what that game is, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below this video. All you have to do is click more when you scroll down and it'll show get started here. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. You simply just register, create a free account. You enter in your username, your email address, your password, and then your gender. And then you just click sign up at the bottom and it's going to take you into the back office of the members area. Now I want to explain really quick the benefit of playing this game to earn crypto rewards, because the coolest part about the game is the ticker of the altcoin is literally called crypto. It's a micro cap, very, very tiny project that virtually nobody knows about right now. And one of my buddies showed me this game and I'm already earning about 10 crypto per day, which is about 1,000 XRP. But there's no guarantee that you're going to earn 10 crypto per day or 1,000 XRP per day, because your results are obviously going to vary playing the game depending at what level you come in at. So I want to be very clear that results aren't typical, and this is just purely for fun to see what happens for the rest of this bull run as the XRP ledger gains more adoption. So once you've created your free account through the link in the description below, the next thing that you're going to need is an XRP wallet. Now, the best wallet online right now is the Zaman wallet, and it's the largest and most secure XRP custodial cold storage wallet. So it's also a mobile app on your phone where you get your private keys for the wallet. It's comparable to a Ledger or a Trezor cold storage device, but the best for holding XRP. And this is what you're going to need to be able to play the game to earn crypto rewards. So again, below this video, you're going to see a tutorial video right here that breaks down exactly how to set up your wallet, how to be able to fund it with XRP so you can start playing the game, and everything in between. So after you've created your free community account and you have your XRP wallet, the next step is to log in to the back office of your account. And at the top, you're going to see these 4 little icons right here. You simply click this. You go to My DGP, you scroll down, and then you click Purchase Combo. In the bottom left, you're going to click this little plus icon, so it shows 1 combo pack. Click these little 3 boxes right here, and then you purchase with your XRP wallet. And then all you need to do is open up your Zaman wallet on your phone, click this little icon right here at the bottom, and then you simply scan the code on the screen. It's going to pop up. Right now it's 5,000 XRP to get your digital game pieces to be able to play the game and earn crypto rewards. And I'm going to show you the game in a little bit and how awesome it is, because the founder of this dumped millions of dollars in development into this game and has been working on it since 2020. So this is hands down the best play to earn game to earn crypto rewards on the XRP ledger. So I spent about 15,000 XRP on my digital game pieces because I want to be able to maximize the game. And so far, just recently, I'm earning 10 crypto per day, which is about 1,000 XRP per day. So you can do the math over the course of a month on what those rewards will look like. And I can swap crypto for XRP. So I'm just going to keep stacking my digital game pieces to maximize my crypto rewards, because you also have to take into account that crypto is the in-game currency. So as more people start catching on to the XRP ledger and they start playing the game to earn rewards, then the popularity of the crypto token will increase. So obviously there's no guarantees of any profits here, but you do not want to miss out on this as more people start learning about XRP over the next few years. So all I'm going to do to get my digital game pieces is slide to accept on my XRP wallet, and it says the payment was submitted successfully. Now all I'm going to do is refresh the page. I go to My DGP Assets, that simply stands for digital game pieces, and you're going to see I got 1 Cryptopian, a Crypto Land, a box, a key, a vial, and a crystal. So I'm simply just going to click claim on each of these. I'm going to open my Zaman wallet again. I'm going to click this icon right here to scan the code on the screen, and I'm just going to slide to accept. And as soon as I've claimed my digital game piece, I'm going to click reveal, and it shows me what class this is in. And one of the coolest parts about this game is each of the digital game piece reveals are random, so you could get between a level 1 to a level 10. So I'm going to click claim to reveal the land now, and then I just scan the code and slide to accept on my XRP wallet. And it just shows this little countdown thing right here as it reveals which land I have. So as you can see, that was a level 1 land. You guys might get a different level. On a previous pack, I got a level 9. And depending on the level that you get determines the crypto rewards that you earn daily. Now, after you've revealed your digital game pieces to be able to play the game to start earning crypto rewards, in the top of your back office, you click the icon right here with the 4 squares. Then you simply click the game. And then you click the button on the center of the screen that says enter the game. And then you're going to see several in-game actions here like rent, mine, thieve, govern, rule, enhance, and bank. So depending on which avatar you got will determine whether you mine, you thieve, you govern, or you rule. And then for your land, you can collect rent on your land every single day in crypto, which is awesome. So in this case, I would click on thieve, click continue. So underneath available, I simply select my Cryptopian. I select the duration in days. In this case, it'd be 1. And then I click this little icon right here. It's going to pop up this, and it shows me the daily production. In this case is 0.4 crypto tokens. So depending on when you're watching this video, crypto might be at a different price. Right now it's at about $53. So all you need to do is confirm the action, and it's going to say it's processed successfully. And then it's underneath active, and it has a countdown timer right here in terms of time remaining until it goes back into the available section again. So you can see 23 hours and 59 minutes. Now, once this is done, my crypto balance is going to top up with an extra 0.4. Right now it's at about 44.39. And if I go back to the main page and I click on rent and click continue, you can see that I have an available land that I can collect rent on. So I simply select the land. I select the amount of days that I want it to collect rent, 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. So this can be as passive or as active as you want, but I'm gonna click this icon right here. It's gonna pop up and it's gonna show me the daily production, and then I just confirm the action. Now you can see underneath active, I have a level 1, level 4, level 8, and a level 9. And then it shows me the time remaining on each of these land pieces that are collecting rent right now in crypto rewards, which is awesome. And so at the bottom of the screen right here, you can see crypto total net. That's about 14.96 crypto tokens. So let's just round that up to 15. And if I were to swap 15 crypto for XRP, it's about 1,554 XRP. Now that's obviously not a guarantee that you're going to earn the same amount of crypto tokens, because as you can see, I have more pieces of land here because I decided to purchase more packs because I want to be able to stack up the amount of crypto tokens I earn over time throughout the rest of this entire bull run before we get into the euphoria stage. So I'm just going to continue to stack crypto tokens, playing this game for fun, because as more attention gets drawn over to the XRP ledger, I can see more and more users playing crypto land for fun every single day to earn crypto rewards. So again, all you need to do right now to get started is go into the link in the description below this video, create your account. Once you have your Zamin XRP wallet and you've loaded it with XRP, following the tutorial below, then in the back office, you click the icon at the top, you click My DGP, and then you purchase your combo pack to be able to reveal your digital game pieces. So you can buy one or you can buy multiple right now, because the more combo packs that you get, the more pieces of land that you're going to be able to get to be able to collect rent on each and every single day. And then if you choose to get the crypto token on the secondary market, that's up to you. Or you can just play the game for fun to be able to earn crypto rewards like I'm doing right now. So once the time expires on each of these active pieces of land, I'm going to collect all of the rent in crypto, and it's going to top up my balance right here where you can see 44. So check it out. I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. And again, we're going to have a tutorial as well too on some different strategies, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, to be able to maximize this game. That way you can benefit the entire bull run as XRP explodes. So all you need to do right now is click the links below. If you go to bullrunners.com, you're also going to get early alerts on explosive altcoins, daily market analysis videos for breaking news updates like this, and you'll discover our best ways to be able to maximize the crypto land game to earn the most amount of crypto rewards this entire bull run. Because together, we believe that the spending power of the dollar is just going to keep going down in value. That's a fact based on inflation. Blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and cryptocurrencies have been going up in value over the past decade. That's the truth, and together, we're all going camping on the beaches of the moon. I'll see you guys on the next video. I will see you on bullrunners.com through the links below. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.